mini crab cakes are delicious and super easy, here's what you'll need. 16 ounces of jumbo lump crab meat, 2/3 cup of panko, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, a pinch of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Get a large mixing bowl, throw that jumbo lump in there, followed by the panko breadcrumbs, along with the mayonnaise, the lemon juice, the chives, and of course, a little bit of that cayenne goes in, salt, and a little bit of pepper. Next, you want to get your big old spoon and start mixing all the ingredients together. Just make sure the crab meat is fully coated with the mayo, lemon juice, and panko. Take your muffin tin that's been sprayed with cooking spray and start portioning out the crab cake mixture into the little muffin tins. They're the exact size that you want for an appetizer. The last finishing touch is to garnish with your chives. Just sprinkle all over the tops. Place your mini crab cakes into a 400-degree oven. Hot out of the oven and golden brown. If you'd like to add a little bit more heat, just add a couple more pinches of cayenne to the crab cakes while they're still warm. Time to plate these up. Using a spatula, just gently take the crab cake out of the pan. And there you have it, your mini crab cake appetizers. Your guests will be insanely impressed. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a comment or give it a big ol' thumbs up.